Okay, we'll look at the latest this Scepter Imposter that's on Amazon. They say imitation's the best form of flattery, but this doesn't help people who get these things. So anyway, we got, actually it came in this bag, but first thing you'll notice is that they make it, put it in a similar package, so people just kind of take a glance at it and think it's the Scepter. But this one will actually have a sticker. It says the Scepter on it. This one doesn't. It just says made in China. Actually, ours is made in the USA with US components. Anyway, so take it out, and of course it's got the seal nut. That's, you know, we include that as well, and it's actually a 3-plate design. Although the coating looks kind of weird on this. The biggest thing, and this is not. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see these, it's actually got a plastic nut and bolt to hold the fittings on, and the epoxy does not come up over them. There's like a little ring connector on there, and what happens is it'll work at the beginning, and then shortly after, you know, about a month or two, all those fittings corrode, and then it'll most likely give you an error and say you need to contact dealer. You know, had they put like another 1/8 of an inch of epoxy in there, it would probably be okay. A lot of times when people look these up, it doesn't read correctly on the ACE controller. And then if you look at, actually, these are the new Scepters that we're making, and actually have they got light gray caps on them. And anyway, another thing you'll see, so this is almost hilarious, but here's the information card that comes in, warranty and quick reference information, and here's ours. So they took off the Scepter, and they took off our contact information. In fact, this, if you look at it, they're basically the same. But anyway, it's real deceptive. Now this one's only one-sided. This is actually got more of our information and phone number. But you'll see another one here. Okay, so we got this is what comes in their package. And see, this is, they copied our instructions here. They just took our contact information off of it. We got that one. And here's another one. And you can actually tell they're copies of our pictures because they don't look real good, but here's our information. So they scrubbed ours contact info, off that and just kept the instructions. So they basically are stealing our intellectual property here. But there's just been a lot of people that have contacted me about this, because on this particular listing it says to contact Amazon customer support, which they are not going to know anything about your hot tub. Especially the ACE system, it's a little bit of a technical piece of equipment, and so you need to know how it behaves and be able to read the status indicator screen to tell you what needs to be done. So anyways, yeah, people are getting these thinking that they're ours when they're not, and we're actually been getting some bad reviews lately. Anyway, so that's about it for now. Just beware when you're, especially if you're ordering on Amazon, make sure it says sold by Pool Spa Efficiency. This comes up as some or Chinese English term. But anyway, I hope this helps. And feel free to contact us if you had a problem, and we're happy to help solve them for you. Thanks.